Okay guys, I thought I'd show you something I'm doing with these Craftsman collapsible magnetic trays. Okay, it's the Craftsman CMMT 98343. They have a lifetime warranty. No proof of purchase is required, as it should be. Let's take a look at one of these. They're silicone. They've got a rigid top, rigid bottom, and they collapse, which I thought was really nice. I know I've got some dog bowls like this, but what I liked about this is the rigidness of the bottom. When you opened it up, the sides were somewhat rigid, as you see here at the very top. That plastic or nylon piece creates that rigidity. And the other thing it had, which really doesn't apply to the aluminum Eagle Tripod, or most astronomical tripods that are aluminum, it's got these 5 magnets that you can see here, which for automotive use, this is nice because it allows you to put stuff in and have it on your toolbox, maybe car hood or something of that nature. And the silicone is very sticky somewhat, but it won't scratch the surface. Now on the Eagle Tripod you see here, these are the 6-inch trays. Now these trays can be put on, as you see here, with the inside that has its own tray. It's milled out. Or you could put it this way and use it as a flat surface, which I've done over here. And the reason I did this one like that is because I wanted a flat surface. And I did a video on this. I made a hook for my keypad. And so I just wanted a flat surface like this, anticipating what I was going to do next. So I had seen these at Lowe's, and I bought a couple sets. One to use here with the Eagle, and then one to use for my automotive stuff, mechanical stuff. And what I liked about this, again, the collapsibility. It's small. I can put this in my toolbox at the end of the evening, store it easily. Again, I said it was rigid. I like the fact that the base is rigid and that the upper part is rigid, and it easily fit, like you see there, on the Eagle tray. Now, as I had said earlier, the material, silicone material on its own has its own natural friction, stickiness to it. And so when these are on here, they don't slide. It's not slippery. And that was another thing I liked about it. I could use 1, 2, or none if I didn't want to use them. And so that again was part of the reason that I really liked these. And I wanted to have room, even though you can put stuff here, I wanted something that I could have more depth to it. Eyepiece caps, put my cell phone in here, keep it, my eyeglasses, that's another thing, is I wear glasses. But if I wanted to take them off, sure, I can put them in here like that. Okay? Or I could do that. Just gives you some ideas as to what you can do with these. And these were on sale, but even at the regular price, they're fairly cheap, and it has worked out very well for me.